What's up guys, today I'll be showcasing an updated working tutorial on how to recover your hacked Ubisoft account. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. The first step is to try to contact Ubisoft Support. So visit the Ubisoft account recovery form, the link is in the description, and for your contact email address, use the email that was previously linked onto your account before the hack if possible. Enter the username of your account below that and add any variations if you're unsure about the spelling or the format of your username. And then the next one is enter the email that was previously linked onto your account before the hack. And then under that, for the reason, select account hacked or taken over. For you guys who use Ubisoft on PC, uploading your PC activation key can actually help your case. So you want to go to your file explorer and through this directory that's on your screen now, and it's also in the description below, you want to go there. And then from there, you should see a file with the name of the UUID of the account, and an example file name is on your screen now. You want to upload that file to your ticket or paste the key in the ticket. Then under that, it's going to ask you for any external accounts, so any accounts that you linked onto your Ubisoft account, be sure to upload those. And under additional details, describe how you got hacked and proof that you own the account. And proof includes welcome to the Ubisoft email, receipts of purchases, email history of the account, username history of the account, and any proof of the account getting hacked, such as suspicious login detected or your email getting changed. And be sure to save this description and all attachments that you uploaded. Be sure to save this proof for later, because just in case Ubisoft Support doesn't help you out, you'll need to go through the second method, which is through SignalConso. So submit the response, and if Ubisoft doesn't help you, which they likely won't, it's time to move to the second method. So for the second method, first you want to visit the SignalConso website. The link is in the description. And you want to scroll down and click online purchases. Then click the website itself, then click other and click next. Enter the Ubisoft website and then click continue, and then select Ubisoft EMEA and click next. Under description/attachments, use the same information you provided to Ubisoft when you created the first ticket for Ubisoft Support. You also want to add how Ubisoft was unable to help you, and make sure you stress that Ubisoft was unable to get your account back, and include the ticket number of the Ubisoft ticket that you opened. And in your complaint, make it clear what you want the account's email switched back to, ideally the previous account, or the previous email I should say, associated with your account if you can. Make it clear that any cheating activity after you noticed your account was stolen was not you, and that the account needs to be unbanned if a cheater incurred a ban on your account. You can back this claim up with a suspicious login email screenshot, which you probably sent to Ubisoft Support as well. Make sure you also make it clear that any marketplace transactions since your account was stolen wasn't you, and then once you're done filling out the entire form, click next and fill out the rest of your personal information and submit the report. Ubisoft will then either open a new ticket or reopen your old one. Give it about a week after that, then respond to the newly created ticket respectively with something along the lines of, do you need any other proof or anything else to get my account back? This method does work. Countless of our members in our Discord have tried it and have gotten their accounts back. It seems like Ubisoft needs a regulatory body to push them forward in order for them to actually help their users get their accounts back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want tips, help on recovery from a hacked or hacked account, maybe you need help with this Ubisoft situation, or you just want to hang out, join the Discord, link in the description. Stay secure out there.